Signs your phone is hacked. Our modern lives are intricately wrapped around the digital devices we rely on. Our phones, once essential for connectivity and convenience, now pose a menacing threat to our privacy. Picture an unseen intruder silently slipping into our homes, observing our every move from a hidden corner. Phone hacking resembles this intrusion, laying bare not just our personal data, but also our financial secrets. It's similar to allowing access to our deepest, most private thoughts and actions merely by breaching our phones. Here's how to know if your phone is hacked. Our inboxes overflow with numerous emails and links clamoring for attention. Amidst these, seemingly credible links are tempting, leading us to inadvertently install apps. Sometimes, routine actions lead us to click on malicious links disguised under trusted brand names. It's crucial to be vigilant for signs that can indicate a hacked phone and adopt measures to fortify the security of our digital devices and protect our privacy. Identifying the signs of a hacked phone is crucial. While not exhaustive, these indicators could signal a potential hack. Number 1. Unusual battery drain. A hacked phone may exhibit rapid battery depletion due to background processes. Number 2. Excessive data usage. Monitor data usage meticulously to detect unauthorized background usage, indicating a possible hack. Number 3. Unfamiliar apps. Scrutinize and investigate unrecognized apps on your device for potential threats. Number 4. Slow performance and overheating. Sluggish performance and overheating, particularly on relatively new phones, could be signs of a hack. Number 5. Strange behavior. Abnormal app openings, unsolicited calls or emails, and unexpected behavior might signal a hack. Number 6. Interruptions during calls. Odd noises or interruptions during calls could suggest someone is eavesdropping. Number 7. Unexpected ads or pop-ups. Intrusive ads or pop-ups could signify malware intrusion on your device. Number 8. Unexplained transactions. Check bank statements for unusual transactions that don't align with your activity. Vigilance is key. Amidst the conveniences technology offers, our phones have become gateways to our personal worlds, making them prime targets for malicious intent. Detecting signs of a hacked phone and taking proactive steps to safeguard our devices and data are essential in preserving our privacy and security in this digital age.